Alright, so it's just a quick video. If you've been watching my channel, you know I got oil catch can installed it myself. So if you need to know how to install that, browse to my channel. Got a video on that. Basically, I'm about to give you guys an update. I got my oil change like 2 or 3 months ago. I'm about to actually check it, see what mileage we at. That way I can give you an accurate reading, and then you see how much oil was brought through the oil catch can and how many miles. So right now I'm at 8,424 miles. So, and just check the paper. I believe when I got that oil change, I was at like 4,000 some miles. Can't remember, but oh yeah, this little red pouch that come with the car. You should keep all your documents in here, like registration, insurance card if you don't got it on your phone, or any type of work you get done on the car. Just fold it in half and keep it in here. That's where I keep it. I don't keep my shit all junky. I only got essential stuff, just a couple of napkins, fucking blade and some pens and some hand sanitizer. That's it. I don't like to keep, I know a lot of people, they throw mail and just hella shit in there. This, I gotta keep that clean because I don't like having my car dirty. So anyway, I got my oil changed a couple months ago at Midas. Trying to figure out, I ain't find that paper. All right. So like I said, right now we at 8,424 miles. Last time I got oil change is, see if y'all can see right there, 4,673 miles. So that's almost, what is that? That's almost 4,000 miles. I know I got full synthetic oil change, so I get on my car. I'm actually, they say you did go 7,500 miles and all that shit, but I'm just gonna change mine every 5,000 miles because it don't cost that much. Because also in one of my videos, I believe it's an oil catch can update video, I was telling you about Groupon. You to get oil changes on discount from Groupon, so definitely check that out. That way it don't cost that much to get an oil change. You're not so reluctant to get it. It's early morning right now. You see I'm outside, flip-flops, no socks. That's how early it is. Grab a towel out. Shit. And pop the hood. So yeah, like I said, I'm at 8,400 and something miles. Last oil change is 4,600 miles. About to remove the oil catch can and see how much oil is in there. Set this camera up. And you just gotta twist it off. You don't have to remove none of the hoses, no shit like that. Bottom cap screws off. Just make sure if you trying to check it when you was just driving the car, this will be fucking hot, so get you a towel to hold it. I didn't just get done driving my car. I don't even know I got a towel, but I got one anyway. So see if you can see it. It's not really that much actually. I thought it'd be more than that. Anyway, this what 4,000 miles, so like it's really not that much in there. So all you gotta do is basically pull this out, and I would just, you don't have to clean it out, but I'm just gonna clean it out because I already took it off. This not a lot of oil. You're supposed to dispose of oil a certain way, but this is like so little. We stay in Vegas. I pull it in the rocks. This shit gonna just disintegrate anyway, so it really don't fucking matter. So just pull it out. You see, I don't know if you see that color or even what it looked like in the can. It was extra dark though. So you definitely don't want this oil going in the engine. This just basically shows you that this actually works because you see oil was caught inside this can. And that's basically pretty much it. 4,000 mile update. That's how much oil was in there. Simple install. Make sure you check out my install video. And also I'm about to drop a code word in this video as well. If you see my last video, I put a code word in that one, so make sure you write that down, because when I make a post about the giveaway, it's gonna be the first person to DM me that code word that's gonna get the extra entry. So it's gonna be a code word in this video, it's a code word in the last video, and it's gonna be a code word and a giveaway video, as well as other ways to enter. So make sure you pay attention to all that. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure you follow the car club at Lost Victory. I checked it this morning. I see that we at over 100 followers right there. You see, I post different stuff, not just my car, other members' cars. As they do upgrades and shit, I'll be posting stuff like that. I plan on doing like a review or videos on people in my car club, putting it on my YouTube channel. So yeah, so make sure you follow that. And that's pretty much it. Giveaway videos on the way. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Definitely pay attention to those code words, because it's gonna be essential to actually help you get extra entries. Because when I write everybody's name down, everything's going in a bowl. So you definitely want your name in there more than once. The higher your chances of winning. And that's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah. Reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah. And now I'm out here